Hi, I'm Steve Underhar, and welcome to Business Video on the IT Expo show floor. Joining me this time is Andrew Chung, District Manager with Aboutvutelepresence. Hi, Andrew.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about Aboutvutelepresence. How old is the company, and what types of communications capabilities are you bringing to bear in the enterprise?
Okay, so Aboutvutelepresence, we're quite new. We just launched the U.S. market, I think, 4 months ago. And so we're being aggressive now, just really trying to get to the customer end through our channel partners that we're developing a relationship with. And basically our solution is we provide equipment for telepresence solution. And just to kind of give you a background, right now you have the high-end providers like Cisco Tamberg Systems or Polycom, and then you also have more PC-based Skype, free. They don't charge any money for just day-to-day usage. And so we're really filling that gap. What we're providing is high-quality HD video conferencing solution at a very affordable cost. Like you're talking $100 a month. So
really, you're talking about telepresence for the mainstream of the business community.
Yes, as our founder says, I believe he was in a previous show, because it was on our website, recently from Interop or something. But we're really, going after democratizing the whole telepresence experience. And so, I've been myself, talking to customer and potential clients, and people are signing up left and right now, and I mean the demand is there. I mean it's the hot market right now. I think a lot of customers in general market right now is looking for that solution. It's great for cutting budget as far as with the downside economy right now, eliminating the traveling costs and having a solution that's there that's adequate enough to really replace that person-to-person experience as far as handling the meetings, and this is where we can provide that solution for the market demand.
Now, some people say that's all well and good, Andrew, but still, when I hear the word telepresence, I hear infrastructure and I hear dollar bills.
Okay.
When you start talking about the deployment of telepresence, talk a little bit about the scope of hardware, equipment, and other technology that are needed to make a Aboutvutelepresence deployment a reality.
Okay, so for about $100 a month, you get the codec box, where you plug in everything. It's a plug and play, a solution. So literally at tops 15 minutes, you can set up everything yourself. You can plug in the display, 50-inch flat screen TV, with the HDMI cable. And also all the peripherals like a keyboard and mouse and microphone and also the speaker. It's all plugged through the USB, and then you also have the HD camera. It's a pan-tilt camera, 720p, so high definition resolution, and also we're going to soon have 1080p as well. So that all comes in that pricing at $100 a month. And also a lot of times when I introduce this to customers, they expect, okay, so I pay $100 a month for that equipment. What about the usage? Well, the beauty is usage comes with the price. So we're not charging anything extra. So literally for about $100 a month, you're getting everything. And the beauty is traditional solution like Polycom and Cisco Tamberg solutions requires fancy network like MPLS, typically a private network. And our solution doesn't require that. It can run on just public IP access. Like a business owners, like whether it's graphic designers or any like financial consultants or small law firms, where they can't afford a fancy network and pay $2-3 grand a month just to carry that private network. Well, they can still run our solution and have that HD experience on their Comcast cable or any.
You do a cable modem and you're good to go.
You're good to go. Yeah. So that's the beauty of it. So this is perfect for SMB market.
Now you mentioned that you also have a keyboard mouse. Does that mean you integrate computer applications into the meeting experience as well?
Well, our solution doesn't require like a separate PC base. That box it's a self-contained solution. However, what we're also providing in about a couple of months is a PC-based solution as well. So let's say there's a main conference room in where you're conducting business every day, where you have your unit placed there. So there's that. But then let's say you have a rep or someone that's traveling all the time and they're logging in. They need to communicate through our system, from a hotel, for example. Then they can just use their laptop, and with their web camera, and they can still communicate to our main unit. So that way, it doesn't matter where they are, and anyone can communicate with our unit as well.
So final question, a lot of people say, well, I'll wait for video to get a little bit better before I do it. Why is now a good time for them to plant a stake in the ground and say, yeah, I'm going to do video right now?
Okay, I think really the timing is right, because for one, with the downturn in economy, especially, it's first-hand emotional experience for a lot of business customers that I talk to on a day-to-day basis, where they need to cut their budget. And so and at the same time, we have a very innovative technology solution that can provide that. But we're not talking, a PC-based software that's more on the low end, where when you talk to when you try to conduct a meeting, there's still that challenge in, whether you see a jitter or because of the quality, it doesn't quite replace the actual person-to-person meeting. Well, our solution, it'll speak for itself. Like when you come to our booth or if you check out the product, it's very stable. It's a true HD experience. Doesn't require high bandwidth as long as you have 700K kilobytes per second up and down connection. On a cable or whatever the commercial grade connection you have for internet. You'll have that experience. And on top of that, we have features like recording, which we don't charge extra for that. It's already built in. Second, the screen sharing, where you can do full collaboration. So if you have 3 different sites and they're looking at a document and they need to edit that document together, they can do that while they're seeing each other face to face and experience the facial expressions and body language, and be able to look at some complicated design or a document and just edit it fully together. So technology is there now to actually replace the live in-person meeting with our solution. So
go out and seize the day with video, right?
Oh, yeah, looking forward to it.
Absolutely. Andrew, thanks for your time. That's all the time we have for this edition of Business Video at the IT Expo show. Be sure to join us again for another interview with thought leaders from the show floor.